Hi everybody, Chuck here. I'm in my office, not in the lighting lab today, but listen, I'm so excited about this product. I can't begin to tell you. Okay, if you look at it real close, Teddy, you'll get a close-up of this, I'm sure. It's a photocell, but it's not. It's a GPS satellite tracking device that takes the place of a photocell, and here's what it does. You put it in place of a photocell, screws in the same way, you put the jam nut on, however you have photocells in use. And it picks up GPS satellites, determines on its own, totally on its own, the coordinates of where you're at, and then it works just like a relay or like a photocell relay. It turns the lights off and on, or activates power or deactivates it, as it were. So I'm telling you guys this, we have a subdivision and we're right in the middle of the lightning belt. We've probably replaced 2, maybe 3 photocells a year, and the lights wouldn't come on, they wouldn't go off. Plus that it was in a real dark, shady area. Solved the problem, guys. Immediately, it picked up the satellites. It goes off at the right time. It comes on at the correct time. Everything about it is great. A little expensive, I'll admit. This little doodad is $75. We get them from Racketeer. They have a lot of specialty cool stuff. If you've got an issue with a photocell, I'll tell you, if you're buying a photocell with a long cord to get up out of a shady or dark spot, you may as well buy this. It's so much simpler, and it works just like a astronomical clock. Bear it in mind, this is a plug and play. You hook up the white to the white, black to black, the red, of course, you know, the red is just the interrupter for the black, but there's no settings, there's no fumbling around with this thing. As soon as you hook it up and it gets power, it'll find the satellites, and that's it. So give us a call, we've got them. It'll solve your photocell issues. It did mine, and I had a real pain. So that's it. Call us first. We've got them. Thank you.
Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook.